In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a best-selling products block to your WordPress site quickly and easily. Whether you're running an online store or just want to showcase your top products, this is a great way to engage your visitors and potentially increase sales. So let's dive right into it. First, start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your website, and it's packed with all the tools you need to make your site shine. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. There, you'll see an option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're looking at a list of all the pages you currently have on your site. Choose the specific page where you'd like to add the best-selling products block. Once you've found it, click on Edit to open up the editing interface. This will bring you to the block editor, or the Gutenberg editor as it's also known, where you can customize the layout and content of your page. As you're in the editor, it's time to add a new block. Look for the plus icon, typically located in the upper left-hand corner of the editor or within the content area itself. Click that icon to open a menu of available blocks. When the block menu appears, use the search bar to type Best-Selling Products. This search will help you quickly locate the specific block you want. It's a great feature for saving time, especially when there are many blocks to choose from. Once you've found the bestsellers block, click on it. This action will add the block to your page. The great thing about this block is that it automatically pulls in data from your product catalog, allowing you to easily showcase products that are performing well. With the block now added, you'll want to configure it to your liking. Click on the block, and a settings panel will appear on the right side of the screen. Here you can adjust various settings, such as the number of products to display, layout style, and any other visual preferences. Take your time to explore these options and find the setup that best suits your website's design. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, it's time to save your changes. Head to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see either Update or Publish, depending on whether your page is already live. Click on it to ensure all your new settings are applied and visible to your visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully added a best-selling products block to your WordPress site. It's a straightforward way to not only highlight popular items, but also engage your audience in a visually appealing manner. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.